How to fix if there is install error on Windows 11. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the pesky error code 0x800f081f that you might encounter while updating Windows 11. So let's dive right in. First, we need to open the File Explorer. You can do this by clicking on the folder icon in your taskbar or pressing Windows E on your keyboard. Next, select this PC and open C drive. From there, navigate to the Windows folders. Here, look for the software distribution folder. Once you find it, you need to open the folder and select all the files inside. Simply delete them all. Now, once you have done that, let's close the window and go to the search bar. Type Task Manager and open it. In the Task Manager, click on Run New Task. Then you need to hit the Browse button. Again, navigate to your C drive and open the Windows folders, then the System32 folder. Here, find cmd.exe, select it and check the box for the Create this task with administrative privileges and then click OK. Now we are in the command prompt. Make sure to close any background windows for clarity. We'll be typing some command here, so now, once we are in the command prompt, you need to enter the following command, which you can see on the screen. Simply copy the commands one by one and then paste it in the command prompt over here. Once you have completed all these steps, you need to restart your system. This should resolve the error code problem over here. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.